Aequs started in 2007 as a part of Quest Global, as a manufacturing arm of Quest Global. And since then, we have grown as a largest aerospace manufacturing company out of India. And last year, we basically looked at how do we expand into a global operation and to bring more value to our customers. And we went and acquired a company in US to bring some more additional aerostructure capabilities, and then looked at a company in France, and we acquired a company called Syrah, which had about 5 divisions across France, and that brought significant capabilities to be offered globally for our customers. That is overall strategy is to continue to build our capacity out of India and capability globally so that our customer get the best of the value.
Your company has acquired Syrah along with other companies. Could you please tell us what has been your strategy in deciding to acquire this company?
Syrah, we have been following up the shareholders of Syrah since 2011, knowing their capabilities and also key customers they are working in France. So that basically helped us monitoring, working with them. Initially, we offered them to do a joint venture with them in India, and further looked at separate divisions of Syrah because they have actuations and landing gear and engine component manufacturing capabilities, which we always believed that it's core to our capability that to be built. And we basically looked at finally acquiring Syrah back in 2014 and closed the deal on somewhere in 2016 time frame. And that worked out well for us, and existing employees of Syrah are all part of Aequs, and we're looking at continuing to grow the whole business on a global basis.
Your company has set up several joint ventures with French and other international companies in Belagavi to develop activities there. Could you please throw a few highlights on the same?
I believe modern manufacturing is basically driven by the continuous innovation and global collaboration. I think with those two combination is the one way we will be able to bring more value to our customers. Collaboration is basically where we are doing joint ventures with various partners. We have 3 joint ventures operating in Belagavi. One is with Magellan Aerospace, which is for a treatment facility. Second one is a forging facility with Aubert-Duval of France and Setforge of France, which is for called Squad. The third one is our assembly facility with Saab. We are global partnerships with these people, and all of them are operating in India. At the same time, when we do the collaboration with partners to bring JVs, we look at also how we can bring in some other companies with additional capabilities on a global basis to our fold to make Aequs a better valued company to our customer and bring more value-added products to our customer. Well, every country has their own set of rules and regulations. As a business, especially a global business, we need to find a way to adapt ourselves in local geographies to make sure that we are abiding by those laws and regulations and still be able to offer value to our customers. And France is no different than what I see some regulations in India. India is as much challenging as France. So we have been successfully able to do it in India. We believe we'll be able to successfully able to do it in France. We just need to look at a local perspective so that we can be successful. We cannot be putting global expectations, what happens in US or what happens in other places in Europe, or then expecting the same thing to happen in France. So each country is different. We look at our business model as local, global, be local and think global. That works well when you look at any country when we go and operate. If you really look at it, aerospace industry perspective, France is one of the most capable nation around the world. Just as US has capability, France has capability because there is a deep-rooted aerospace history in France. So it is absolutely a great country to have to bring aerospace capability into fold, and you don't find some of the assets which are there in France as available anywhere else. But that is, we need to be able to leverage that assets and take it to the global market. That's the best thing to do. Predominantly, French companies have, especially the smaller and mid-tier companies, have worked focused on French customers, not really globalized. And working with a global company like Aequs, bringing them as part of our fold, we are able to take them to a global customer base, leveraging the capabilities they have. And that's the best thing that can happen to make these companies global without losing the market opportunities which are there out there.